Inter first year MEC CEC Telangana State. April 2022 public examination. Subject Commerce. In present video, I am going to cover 4 topics. First one, public exam question paper pattern. Second, important questions from commerce part. Third, important theory questions from accountancy part. Fourth, important problems from accountancy part. Let us see the first one, public exam question paper pattern. Paper is divided into 2 parts, part 1, part 2. Part 1 is commerce, 50 marks. Part 2 is accountancy, 50 marks. Part 1, commerce. In section A, 5 questions will be given. Any 2 we should attempt. Each one is for 10 marks. 2 into 10, 20 marks. Section B contains 9 questions. Student has to attempt any 4. Each one carries 5 marks. 4 into 5, 20 marks. Section C contains 11 questions. Student has to attempt any 5. Each one is for 2 marks. 5 into 2, 10 marks. Part 2, accountancy. Section D, 1 problem will be given. There is no choice. Student has to attempt that problem. And it is for 20 marks. This problem comes from 10th chapter, preparation of final accounts. Section E contains 3 questions. Student has to attempt any 1. 1 into 10, 10 marks. First question will be a problem from 5th chapter, cash book, triple column cash book. Second question is also a problem from 6th chapter, bank reconciliation statement. Third question will be a theory question. It comes from 6th chapter, bank reconciliation statement. Section F, any 2 out of 6 questions. 6 questions will be given. You should attempt any 2. Each one carries 5 marks. 2 into 5, 10 marks. Out of these 6 questions, first question will be a problem from 2nd chapter. Chapter name, recording of business transactions. Here, 1 ledger account will be asked. Second question will be a problem from 5th chapter, cash book. So you will get a problem on simple cash book or single column cash book. Remaining questions are theory questions. Section G contains 12 questions. Student has to attempt any 5. Each one is for 2 marks. 5 into 2, 10 marks. First question will be a problem from 2nd chapter, recording of business transactions. Journal entries. 4 transactions will be given. Student has to write 4 journal entries. Each one carries half mark. Second one problem from 7th chapter, trial balance. Remaining questions are theory questions. With this, first point is completed. New paper pattern. Second point is important questions from commerce part. First 10 marks. First question, state the advantages and disadvantages of sole proprietor business. In brackets, I mentioned the year in which this question came in public examination, October 2021. Second question, discuss the advantages and disadvantages of cooperative societies. Third, define partnership, discuss its merits and limitations. This question came in May 2018, May 2017, March 2019 public examinations. Fourth question, discuss the different types of partners. This question is important for 2 marks also. Any 1 type of partner will be asked for 2 marks also. Fifth question, what is a joint stock company? What are the features of it? Sixth, explain the advantages and disadvantages of a joint stock company. 7. Distinguish between a private company and a public company. 8. What is business finance? Explain its need and significance in the business organizations. 9. What are the various factors that determine the selection of sources of finance? With this, 10 marks commerce questions are completed. Come to 5 marks important questions from commerce part. First question, define business. What are its characteristics? Second, define trade and explain the types of trade. Third, define trade and explain the various types of aids to trade. So this question is important for 2 marks also. Any one aid to trade may be asked for 2 marks. For example, transportation meaning, warehousing meaning, etc. 4. Define sole proprietorship and state its features. 5th, explain the advantages and disadvantages of Hindu undivided family business. 6th, define partnership and state its important features. 7. Explain the functions of promoters. 8. Discuss the difference between Memorandum of Association and Articles of Association. 9. Explain the classification of sources of finance. 10. Define MSMEs and explain their significance in Indian economy. 11. Discuss the privileges offered to MSMEs in India. 12. Explain the benefits of e-business. With this, 5 marks questions are completed. Come to 2 marks important questions from commerce part. First question, what is profession? Second, what is employment? Third, define entry port trade. Fourth, what is sole proprietorship? Fifth, define karta. Sixth, co-partner. 7. Define active partner. 8. Government company. 9. Who is a promoter? 10. What is certificate of commencement of business? 10. Define minimum subscription. Same question may be asked in another manner also. That is, what is capital subscription? 11. What is business finance? 12. What is working capital? 13. What is fixed capital? 14. Define manufacturing enterprise. 15. Define service enterprise. 16. Define micro enterprise. Same question may be asked in another manner also. Define micro business. 17. Define small enterprise or small business. 18. Define medium enterprise or medium business. 19. What do you mean by e-business? 20. What is e-banking? 21. What is e-trade? 22. What is e-commerce? 23. What is e-marketing? With this, theory questions from commerce part is completed. Second point is completed. Come to third point, important theory questions for 10 marks from accountancy part. Only one question is important. Describe the causes of disagreement between the balance shown in the cash book and passbook. Same point, third point, important theory questions from accountancy part for 5 marks. First question, state the advantages of accounting. Second, briefly explain any 5 concepts of accounting. Third, explain different types of accounts along with their debit credit rules. Fourth, explain the various types of subsidiary books. Fifth, what are the various types of errors? Explain. Sixth, what are the errors disclosed by trial balance? 7. Explain the errors not disclosed by trial balance. With this, 5 marks questions from accountancy part completed. Come to 2 marks important theory questions from accountancy part. First question, what is a transaction? Second, define accounting. Third, what is an accounting cycle? Fourth, define capital. Fifth, define the term drawings. See the papers May 2018, May 2017, May 2016. It is not MAT, it is March. Typing mistake. March 2019. Sixth, debtors. 7. Creditors. 8. Explain business entity concept. 9. Explain money measurement concept. 10. Explain convention of conservatism. 11. What is double entry bookkeeping system? 12. What is an account? 13. What is a journal? 14. What is ledger? 15. What is posting? 16. Trade discount. 17. What is debit note? 18. Credit note. 19. What is journal proper? 20. What is mean by cash discount? 21. What is contra entry? 22. What do you mean by bank reconciliation statement? Or what is mean by BRS? 23. What is mean by favorable balance? 24. What is an overdraft? 25. What is capital expenditure? 26. What is revenue expenditure? 27. What is adjustment? 28. Bad debts. 29. Define depreciation. With this, third point, important theory questions from accountancy part is completed. Come to last point, fourth point, important problems from accountancy part. Chapter 2, recording of business transactions. Journal. From this topic, for 2 marks you will get one problem. And important problems are in Telugu Academy textbook, problem numbers 1 to 8, page numbers 61 to 64. Next, from ledger. Ledger is for 5 marks now. From this topic, important problems are problem number 10, 11, 12. Page numbers 65, 66. Chapter 5, cash book. For 5 marks, simple cash book comes now. Important problems are 1, 2 and 3. In textbook, page numbers 149, 150. From same chapter for 10 marks, important problems are 8 to 19. Page numbers 153 to 160. From same chapter for 10 marks, triple column cash book. On this topic, illustration problems are also important. Illustration 7, it is available in page number 134. Illustration 8, page number 136. Illustration 9, page number 138. Illustration 10, page number 140. From 6th chapter, bank reconciliation statement. One problem comes for 10 marks now. Important problems are 1, 2 and 3. Page number 187. Next, important problems 6 to 10. Page numbers 188 to 190. From same chapter for 10 marks, illustration problems also you have to learn. Illustration 1 to 4. Page numbers 172 to 175. Come to 7th chapter, trial balance. One 2 marks problem comes now. Important problems are from 9 to 20. Page numbers 209 to 212. Chapter 8, rectification of errors. Till now, from this topic, there is no problem. Only theory questions are coming. My guessing is 99% problem doesn't come from this topic. If it comes, my advice is to leave that for choice. Problem numbers are 1 to 15. Textbook page numbers 237 to 240. Illustrations 1 to 14. Page numbers 221 to 234. Chapter 10. Preparation of final accounts. 20 marks problems. Problem numbers 1 to 8. Page number 327 to 334. Problem number 12. Page number 338. Problem number 19. Page number 345. Problem number 20. Page number 346. Illustration problems also important. Illustration 17. Page number 303. Illustration 23. Page number 319. So this is the end of present video. For intermediate students, I made other video also. That is how to score highest marks in commerce. And 30% deleted syllabus video also I prepared. So these 2 videos links are available in the description box. Hope this video is helpful to you. Thank you.